Listen up, you donkey. Forget your soggy sandwiches and limp lettuce. Today we're diving headfirst into the king of all BLTs, the Maine Lobster BLT. This ain't your average lunch. It's a culinary symphony of succulent lobster, crispy bacon and juicy tomatoes, all brought together with a touch of magic. Originating from the rugged coast of Maine, this sandwich is a celebration of the Atlantic's finest. We're talking fresh-caught lobster, bursting with flavor and begging to be devoured. But don't think for a minute that this is just a fancy lobster roll. The Maine Lobster BLT is a carefully constructed masterpiece, a testament to the perfect balance of textures and tastes. Trust me, once you've sunk your teeth into this bad boy, you'll never look at a regular BLT the same way again. Before we get our hands dirty, you'll need the right ammunition for this culinary battle. Remember, we're using only the freshest, highest quality ingredients, no compromises. For the seaweed butter, you'll need unsalted butter, chopped fresh parsley, minced garlic, lemon zest, and chopped seaweed. Don't even think about using that dried, powdery stuff. I want the real deal, bursting with the salty tang of the ocean. Now, for the star of the show, the BLT, grab some crusty bread, juicy ripe tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and, of course, thick-cut bacon. And for the lobster, only the best will do. We're talking fresh, sweet, and cooked to perfection. First up, the seaweed butter. This ain't rocket science, but you gotta get it right. Soften the butter, then mix in the parsley, garlic, lemon zest, and chopped seaweed. Season with salt and pepper, don't be shy, and give it a good mix. Now roll that beautiful mixture into a log and chill it in the fridge. Next, the bacon. We want it crispy, golden, and cooked to perfection. Lay the bacon strips on a baking sheet and whack them in a preheated oven. Keep a close eye on them, you don't want them burnt to a crisp. While the bacon's sizzling away, toast your bread to a light golden brown. Now for the grand finale. Spread a generous amount of that glorious seaweed butter on both slices of toasted bread. Layer the lettuce, tomato, and bacon on one slice, then pile on that succulent lobster meat. Don't be stingy. Finally, top it off with the other slice of bread. For the perfect finish, slice the sandwich in half and serve it with a side of crispy fries and a dollop of tangy coleslaw. This is it, folks. The Maine Lobster BLT, a culinary masterpiece that'll have you singing the praises of the Atlantic Ocean with every delicious bite.